Hey, I'm Mark, and we just got this mantle out of the vacuum kiln, and it's cooled off for a day. And this mantle turned out really good. Got a straight edge here. First thing I do is I look at the side that's going to go against the wall, and the mantle has warped about 1/4 inch, which is very little. So we'll trim on the sawmill. Then I'll look at the top of it, and my camera lady will get down. You can see the daylight here and there, how it's lumpy and humpy. So we'll take that also to the sawmill. We trim up the top, the back side, and the bottom, and it'll all be square to each other. The first thing we do, before we do all that, now that I see that it warped very little, and I'm able to get almost 8 foot out of this. Sometimes I don't get the 6 foot out of them. They warp so bad. We'll take off the bracket, the mend plate that we put on there that helps it from cracking. And then we're going to cut the ends. I'm only going to cut about 1 inch off each end because it did so well. All right, so we're going to put this in the bandsaw now. About 1 inch off of it. This will also square, true up the ends. This is a 12-inch vertical bandsaw. I've got a blade on it with 4 teeth per inch. It's pretty aggressive. Alright, I'm going to load it up and take it to the sawmill. Side was almost perfect, just a little thin slice.
You want to tell me why you're doing what you're doing?
The live edge on the other side won't let me dog it down with my device without being in the way. So I just put a screw in right here just to hold the mantle in place while it's milling. It stays flat on its own, but it will slide to the left or the right a little. If you don't put oil on the screw, it's hard to take the screw out. you can see how it trued up in the mantle. The highs and the lows. Now it's perfectly straight, flat on top. Next we'll trim the back side, and we're off to the sanding department. Alright, well that's nice and straight now. We'll get it sanded up, and I usually offer it for sale for about a month, unfinished. If it doesn't sell, then I'll put a stain on it. We appreciate y'all watching.